Time for exam. Everybody should prepare. Prepare before the exam. I don't want to see any written material on my table. Okay? I don't want to see any written material on my table. Concentrate for the exam. Become 391. Become 391. Okay? The exam starts exactly 2. Start. Answer exam. Ukijaribu kuiba hivi niko na wewe. Question 1 no. Question 1 no. Third year student, unaandika wrong answers. Ng'ombe. Ukijaribu kutoa mwa Kenya hivi kifo. Correction. Point of correction. Question 3. Hello, question 3 inafaa kuwa name 3 ways of controlling parasite in livestock. 3 ways of controlling parasite in livestock. 3 ways of controlling parasite in livestock. Ulikusha jibu? Kijana, do we control parasite by killing the animal? No. We control parasite by killing the animal. So we also remove madness into a student. How many cows do you have in your house? Mkono ng'ombe ngapi kwani? Tano. Bwana hii handwriting unapelekea nani? Jesus. Ndio. Funzo kuandika mlifunza klasi. Oh my God. Very good. You see? Very good. Can I have your paper? You see? I like this. Acha kuibia. Jesus.